And where it says 1, 2, and 3, that refers to the engines.
Alright.
And in this, here you got the speed brake, and when the plane lands, because of how fast it goes, they engage this guy in order to like keep it from playing a Mike Pence plane and skipping off the runway. So that
Tip it up so you get his head.
so that's how it Then here's the flap setting. Usually the flaps are on the edge of the wing, and
and they're hard.
Where's the first aid kit?
Was that a joke?
It was indeed. What about over your head?
A light.
Thank you. Looks a little different than Flight Simulator, huh?
Not that much. A little dark in here. It would be more lit up.
Yeah.
But no, that PMDG aircraft that I have looks just like this, and all of the stuff works. Here's all the fuel indicators.
What about the altimeters and stuff?
Those are over. Actually, those are probably on that side though. Or this guy. That's the altimeter, I think.
Yep. Yep.
See, and that's how they reset it.
Okay. So 2, 9, or 9 or 2, huh?
And right here, this handle.
Yeah.
That is that's what controls the landing gear.
Okay.
This is the radio. This is the radio stack. So when they say contact whatever frequency, then they turn these dials to what they want them to contact.
All right.
Here's the
What's the big red handle up in front of you? Put up your right hand and reach out right straight in front of you. Not up, your right hand.
Up there. That big parking brake up there. Pneumatic brake, it is a parking brake.
Yep, that is the parking brake.
Yeah. Looks like a parking brake.
Here's
Got about 15 minutes, guys.
Here's the oxygen.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think? Yeah, look out that little window and fly. Yeah.
This is an instrument procedures trainer, is what this thing is called, and they say it's very old. So they say be careful if you touch anything.
Yeah. There's your trim. Right here, the trim button. What's that one?
It's like the rudder trim.
That's the rudder trim. And this is the, how you say it?
Aileron.
Aileron trim. Yep.
You can tell it's old because over here to the left is the ashtray and the cup holder.
All right, I think I'll light it up. Light them if you got them. Hey?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm
A little toasty.